Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. This can be done very easily. I'll show you how you can do it. So if it does help you out, please leave a like on the video and subscribe down below. So what you need to do is head over to this page here. Most of you probably know how to get here, but for those that don't, all you need to do is from your camera just click on your profile icon in the top left hand corner and then it will open up this page. You can see right now I've got a male Bitmoji and I'm going to change it to a female one. So first, to change it, what we actually need to do is go and delete the existing Bitmoji. So to do that, click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Then it will bring up the settings options here. We can then click on Bitmoji, which will be near the bottom of the screen under notifications. So click on Bitmoji. It will then show you your Bitmoji. It will give you the option to change the outfit, edit the Bitmoji and choose a selfie. Now when you click on edit Bitmoji, you can't actually change the gender. So what you need to do is click on unlink my Bitmoji, and that's going to unlink a Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. It will tell you that it will be deleted and unlinked, which is fine. We can click unlink and we can delete it. This then gives us the option to make a completely new Bitmoji. So we can then create Bitmoji, and here you can either choose male or female. So I'm going to choose female. And then here we're going through the options again to create a Bitmoji. Obviously, you can create whatever Bitmoji you want here. Click save, choose an outfit, click save. And now when we're back on our profile page with the Snapchat icon, you can see our female Bitmoji is now there. So I hope that video helped you out on your quest to change your gender on Snapchat. If it did, please do leave a like and I'll see you all in the next one.